Hello, it's Kristin and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the muchly anticipated Japanese soufflé pancake recipe. In a microwavable dish, add the milk, butter, and vanilla. Pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds or until the butter is melted, then set aside to let the milk reach room temperature. You're going to separate the eggs in two bowls. The large bowl will have 2 egg whites and the smaller will have the 1 egg yolk. Mix until foamy and add the sugar. Next, beat until stiff peaks form. Mix the yolk around a little bit. Add sugar. Then beat until it becomes light and fluffy. Once the milk mixture has come to room temperature, you're going to add it to the yolk mixture and beat it until it thickens up. Sift in the flour and salt, and mix it until a thick batter forms. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Next, fold in 1/3 of the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. When you fold it in, try not to break the foam, and it's okay if the egg white isn't completely mixed in. Add the yolk mix to the egg whites and fold it together with a whisk. Again, don't break the foam. At this point, preheat a frying pan on medium heat. This mixture should be able to hold its shape without spreading too much. Grease the preheated pan, put it to low heat, put in the pancake molds, then add the pancake mix. If you don't have cookie rings, you can still use the pancake mix, they just won't rise as much. Cover and cook for 3.5 minutes. The heat should be set to low. My dial goes 1 to 9 and I had it on 2.5. Be careful when handling the molds as they will be hot. Next, add a tablespoon of batter on top and then get ready to flip it. This is a process, so here's a top tip. Cut the parchment paper to exactly the height you need, which is about 1.5 inches. Otherwise, they'll fail flip like mine did, but it's okay. They turned out just fine after some shimmying. Add 3/4 teaspoon of water. Let them cook for another 3 minutes on low. And serve immediately. Now for the wiggle test. And yes, I did use my action camera just so that I can take this in slow-mo. And that's it! These are definitely a labor of love, but they're so worth it. I've been testing recipes for about a month now, and the one that I've created here has worked out the best so far. They look great, and they taste great too. If you end up trying this recipe, please share a picture with me on Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.